Sri Lanka's Met Department warned that heavy showers above 100 millimeters are likely at some places in the southern province and in the Kalutara and Ratnapura districts. Hambantota recorded a rainfall of 226.4 millimeters in the past 24 hours, ending at 8:30 am, making it the area that received the highest rainfall during that period. Around 100 houses, including the Valukarama temple in Kudavalla, were inundated. Several tourist hotels in Rakava Tangol were also flooded, and the tourists were vacated from the hotels to other locations. One section of the Hambantota town was also inundated. Around 200 houses in Siribopura and Alokapura were also flooded. The Mathala Airport Road was flooded from Kaliyapura as the Kikilidavawa broke its banks. Many houses and rice fields were also flooded. The Gin River reached minor flood levels from Baddegama and the water gauge reading was recorded as 4.45 meters. Vehicular movement was disrupted due to the flooding of the Baddegama Agaliya Road and the Baddegama Dodamgoda Road. The Divitura and Baddegama areas in Valivitiya remain inundated. Several houses located down Bodhiya Lane in Ambathale were inundated as the Kalani River overflowed. Newsfirst correspondent said that around 350 families were affected. The landslide early warnings issued for 8 districts remain in effect. The National Building Research Organisation said that multiple divisional secretariat zones in the Galle, Matara, K-Galle, Ratnapura, Kandy, Kalutara, Colombo and Hambantota districts were issued with the warnings. 15,496 people of 3,672 families have been affected by the prevailing adverse weather conditions.